Hello, viewers. Today, in this small interview, we are going to have with four wonderful doctors who have come to learn implant course from Maligai Dental Academy. I would like to discuss with them about the experience they had at Maligai Dental. Let's ask them directly. Hello, doctor. Good evening, all of you. Thank you so much for coming to Maligai Dental Academy. I would like to take your valuable feedback and experience first. Before we start, can you introduce your name?
My name is AJ Ashmi.
AJ Ashmi.
My name is Ashna.
Ashna, Dr. Ashna.
My name is Christy.
Dr. Christy.
Myself, Brenda.
Dear friends, they are doing their MDS periodontics in Kanyakumari, Mugambikai Dental College. They are in their periodontic post-graduation. So, when they called me and asked me for implant course, I was asking them why they came for the course. Let's ask that question. Why did you come for this course? What was your requirement?
So, comparative to other academic courses, patient's flow and patient experience was better.
No, you selected Maligai Dental because patient's experience is given directly to you.
Yes, sir.
I am asking why you want that experience.
Because to know better clinical experience will give better than the models.
Okay, instead of doing on a model, it's better to learn on a patient.
Yes, sir. It will be different.
Okay. So you people have approached me and we have organized this course. You came from last Monday to today Saturday, almost 6 days. So how was your 6 days experience with this? How do you feel?
So it was very good, sir, because even though many restrictions were there, we came here and you managed to do all the 5 patients and
Dear friends, the promise was 5 patients to each doctor. So 5, 10, 15, 20 implants have to be given to them. That was the promise we made. And as you know, today is November 13, and last week we had a cyclone, we had a depression, and there was severe rains in Chennai. So even amidst all this, with God's help and our team's hard work, it was very challenging for us to complete the quota because patients were not turning up, but still we are able to complete by God's grace. Very happy about it. So, how is your experience, doctor?
I have learned many things after coming here because nowadays implant is a new thing that is upcoming for clinical practice. Comparatively, I have learned with different cases. As for the basic thing, sinus lift procedure is the different one, but I have learned that I have gained
So
a
you have
knowledge
gained
about it.
sufficient experience in
Yes.
sinus lifts. I think
And
you have
immediate-
used one more kit also,
As Neodent.
Neodent
So I
kit.
have used the different kits and I
Okay.
can compare with that and I can.
So in a short time, you are able to see 2 different kits in implants.
Yes, sir.
Dr. Christy,
yes, sir.
tell me your experience. நீங்க எப்படி feel பண்ணீங்க?
I did maxillary sinus lift, and also I didn't do. I've also learned about in advanced cases also in extraction socket how to place the immediate
Wonderful.
implant and all those things.
So you are confident, தன்னம்பிக்கையா இருக்கீங்களா?
Confident,
No, confidence வரல.
little bit.
வந்ததுக்கு பரவாயில்லையா?
வந்ததுக்கு பரவாயில்ல.
Okay. Ashna, how are you? Tell your feedback.
Okay, initially few cases, sir
Louder.
initially few cases sir itself held the hand and I felt that I didn't do it, But the last case, completely from start to end, I was the one who did it. I did make a mistake in the last drill, but I felt happier that day than the other 2 cases, which was actually good. The last case, the torque was comparatively lesser, but still I was happy that day because I did the entire case.
Here we give this handheld handheld experience because ultimately patients should not suffer, and we will take over at that point.
Yes.
And that is generally done on academies where patients' consent is taken seriously. So I would like to thank my team, my
Yes,
team,
sir.
Dr. Vijay, and we have Padma sister for coordinating this, and other members of the team. Without team, it is not possible. Okay, I was like a brain, and they are like body. In brain-body coordination is important. So if brain is good, body works well, right?
Yes, sir.
So that's what we know. Brain health, mental health is more important. So what is your plan for future in implant practice? What's your plan?
So future,
So you go back. You're going back to college and planning to do cases, more cases.
so basic things has to be known, sir. So from this course, I have learned somewhat basics. So with that, how to initiate an implant without the procedure from myself itself, with seeing the pre-operative radiographic procedures, how to initiate. This will be the
Different
correct
planning, everything.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can initiate that. I have that confidence before
So
that.
you can now very well plan
Yes,
yourself
sir.
and do. What
Yes,
about
sir.
you? What is your plan after the course?
Sir, I think if we hadn't seen these different cases, probably for difficult case like sinus lift, we will tell no, it is difficult, we don't want. We'll take an ideal case. But since we already saw it here, I think we'll be confident to take a difficult case.
You?
I can do the treatment planning, like which should be very parallel, the team plan should be, I have learned about that.
What about you?
I need to practice more cases by myself. So I will be doing, I have a confident also, I can plan accordingly to that. Not with the only the ideal cases, I can do it advanced also. Then I need to develop more advanced cases
Actually,
also.
we were giving only basic courses for you, but since 20 implants have been taken at a stretch, so I thought don't see all that, just give whatever cases.
Yes,
We'll
sir.
see how to handle. And I'm very grateful to God and grateful to my team members to excellently executed the course very well. It's so difficult, It's we were very worried last Sunday because it was raining badly and how the Monday
Yes,
is
sir.
going to be, whether the course will be there or not. On I think on Thursday, right? Severe
Yes.
rain and so much water. It's a miracle, I can say. So coming back to our course, what are the unique features you found in our academy?
So first main thing
Each
is
one should tell one point.
So teamwork, sir.
Teamwork. You,
Organization. Should tell Padma ka.
Padma has organized very well the
Very
timing
well.
of the patient,
Yes, sir.
the logistics and everything. What about you?
Infrastructure.
Infrastructure. So nice,
Nice
ambience,
ambience.
AC, biryani.
And
Kandipa. So thank you so much. This infrastructure which you've been doing, it's recently done, and we have conducted many implant courses after the initiation of this place, and it's a first time 4 people are coming and doing. It's a blessing for us. Thank you so much, Dr. Rashmi, because you spoke to me and coordinated all of them. What is the unique thing you found in our academy?
Guidance and the uniqueness that you are willing to teach others in the different ways.
Okay. My point of teaching will be always simple because I like simplicity, because they say simplicity is going to be the most complex thing now. So you all told beautiful uniqueness of the, everyone sees something unique. You said
Teamwork, sir.
teamwork. Why teamwork?
So because even one thing is missing means other all the things will collapse. I especially want to thank Dr. Vijay and Dr. Batma sister. If they compromise any one of the things, means patients will be affected.
There were a lot of hard work going on before this course to talk to the people. That part I played. Most of them I spoke to them, booked the patients. It's my duty. Then we arranged all the implants we bought from the company.
Yes, sir.
Padma sister did. Doctor was checking everything and made sure it is happening. So conducting a course is not that
Yes,
easy.
sir.
And as you said, infrastructure, a comfortable infrastructure is very much needed. This is like your home, like dedicated, no disturbance for you. Your cases coming, going, you are enjoying your coffee, bathroom, tea, so many goody things. Okay, we have a lot of smart talking and all that. So learning should be fun, because if I go to a course, I expect some standards like this. So you like the standards?
Yes, sir.
Now we can just focus the background. So viewers, what you are seeing is the surgical center. You can see our doctors have done cases in this setup. Very shortly, doctors are going to do one more patient of the day, final case of the day. And this is an infrastructure where we can handle up to 6 people. Even 2 more people, if they come also, we can manage. Because we cannot manage more than that. I don't want to take 20 people and make things messy. Rather, take few people, train them nicely, give them confidence and go. Okay, now important feedback, improvements.
So I think nothing is there, sir.
Nothing is there.
Comparative to
Only
other.
cassette ice cream is there.
Yes, sir. Maybe. So even though you didn't compromise that one also, sir.
You-
Food items, coffee, tea, communications, everything is good, sir. I liked it, sir.
Same thing, sir.
Everything's
So,
Everything is fine.
so this we call this kind of service which we have given to you can be classified into 5 stars. Okay, 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star. How many stars you will give us?
So 10 stars we can
Out of 5, you will give 10.
10 also, sir. Yes, sir.
Which means beyond the expectation
Yes,
we have
sir.
done.
Yes,
So
sir.
did you expect this kind of course? Did you expect it?
Actually, before my senior came, but he told that there are many cases we can see, and he will allow many cases, and we can get many experience like that. But still, we didn't expect this much experience. Sinus lip procedures, even in the immediate implant placement, whatever cases is coming, you are giving. That is the possibility.
Okay, and moreover, the place is also nice. The suction units, we have put DAR suction, like நல்ல பவர்ஃபுல்லா சக் பண்ணி ஏன்னா if I do a surgery I want clean site. Okay, number 1. Second is AC is centralized AC, so ambient temperature, like you don't feel too cold. Noiseless clinic. You can see I have made it soundproof using Fenesta windows and all that. So everything we thought through before we started the place. Even plug points in the floor, you just press a button, it comes out like that, because that helps to put the this implant motor. So I would request you to design a clinic like this when you open your own clinic.
Yes, sir, sure. Sir.
Okay, that time I have put all the drainage under the floor. You can't see unnecessary wires. No bad smell, nothing. It's a well ventilated clinic. You open, nice fresh air comes, and cross ventilation is there. Lateral ventilation is there. Kept cameras for security purpose and all that. So you feel safe when even women are coming here. You have a dedicated bathroom where only for doctors. You're allowed to use for others. So we are very grateful to you for trusting us, and I hope we have fulfilled all the promises.
Yes, sir.
What we have given, the number of cases,
Yes, sir.
more than what you expected.
Sure. Yes, sir.
Thank you so much for your lovely feedback. Would you recommend this course to your friends?
Sure, sir.
Okay. Please refer your friends to us. Even better course we will do in future, because we are improving every day. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
So dear viewers, in this lovely interview we get to know all these 4 wonderful doctors who come for implant course, and I'm so grateful. If you're watching in YouTube, please click the like button and put the subscribe. Just press the subscribe button and press the bell notification so that you get regular updates. If you like to join our course, in the scrolling you see a number, please contact us. In the description we have a link. You can go to our website and check the details of this course. Thank you so much for watching our YouTube channel and Facebook channel. Thank you, and God bless all of you. We'll do this.
Yes.